Why naming matters in coding projects.
Consistent, clear naming of files and folders makes projects easier to understand, manage, and scale. Good names help both you and your teammates find and update code quickly. Adopting simple rules from the beginning also prevents confusion and reduces errors as your code base grows over time.
Common naming conventions.
Widely used naming conventions include lowercase letters, sometimes joined by underscores or hyphens, like myfile.py or project folder. In some languages, you'll see camel case for files, such as userprofile.java. Choose one reliable style and use it throughout your project for all files and folders.
Best practices for file and folder names.
Keep names descriptive but concise. Avoid vague names like stuff or test. Instead, use specific terms like data analysis, user routes, or config. Avoid spaces and special characters, as they can cause issues on different systems. Stick to letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores for maximum compatibility.
Organizing by purpose, not by type.
Group files and folders by what they do, not just by their file extension. For example, put all user-related code in a users folder, instead of separating files by whether they are scripts, data, or tests. This makes searching and maintaining your project simpler as it grows.
Tips for scaling naming conventions.
As projects expand, add version numbers, dates, or roles to names when needed, like backup_2024_06 or auth_controller_v2. Document your naming choices in a README so new team members can follow them too. Regularly review and update your conventions to fit your current needs.